What's up, Frost fam? Today we're doing LEAPS, the long-dated options everybody is searching for and almost nobody explains properly. I'm going to show you what a LEAP actually is, why it beats buying shares when you're small, and then 4 real setups off my scanner tonight, fully charted with entry, stop, and targets. Plan, not a prediction. Let's build it. So what is a LEAP? It's just a call or a put with a long expiration, usually a year or more out. Here's why that matters. 100 shares of a $100 stock costs you $10,000. A LEAP call on that same stock might cost you $1,500 and control the same 100 shares. Less money down, same upside exposure. That's the whole pitch. But here's the part the hype channels skip. Time decay. Every option loses value as it approaches expiration, and that decay accelerates hard in the final 30 days. A 0-day option bleeds out in hours. A LEAP with 300 days left barely moves from decay day to day. You are buying yourself time to be right, and time is the whole edge. Setup 1, Coinbase, ticker COIN, $146.26, down about 8% on the week. My scanner flagged this one because the daily uptrend line finally broke. That's a reversal signal, and it showed up with volume nearly 3 times normal. This is a downside setup, so we're looking at puts, not calls. The chart. COIN is sitting at 146, and the trend line it rode all the way up is now broken underneath it. Resistance overhead is 161.72. That's also your invalidation. Downside targets are 135, then 115.34. If price closes back above 161.72, the reversal thesis is dead and you're out. No arguing with the level. The plan on Coinbase. Enter puts on weakness under 144. Stop if it reclaims 161.72. Targets 135, then 115. On a LEAP put, you'd go 6 months or further out, so the thesis has room to play. Small size. Crypto names move violently in both directions. Setup 2, Roblox, ticker RBLX, $35.60, down 25% in 5 days. That is a brutal move, and it's sitting at the very bottom of its 20-day range. My scanner tagged this as an embedded downtrend on the hourly with a 15-minute bounce inside it. In plain English, the trend is down and price just popped up into a spot where sellers usually step back in. The chart. RBLX is at 35.60. Resistance above is 36.50, then 38. Your stop is $41.04, because above that the downtrend is genuinely over. Targets to the downside are 24.73, then 20. This is with trend entry, you are selling into a bounce inside a downtrend, which is very different from calling a top. The plan on Roblox. Enter puts on the bounce failing under 36.50, stop above 41.04, targets 24.73, then 20. With trend entries, let you use a tighter stop because you are not fighting the direction, you are joining it. That's how the loss stays small when you're wrong. Setup 3, and now we flip to the long side. AMBA, ticker AMBA, $86, up 26% this week. This is an AI chip and computer vision name, and the daily downtrend line just broke to the upside. Volume is 4.5 times normal. When a stock breaks a downtrend on volume like that, you pay attention. The chart. AMBA is at $86 after clearing its downtrend line. Support underneath is 80, then 75.93, and that lower number is your stop. Targets are 95, then 106.14. The 15-minute chart printed a bullish harami, which is just a small candle inside the prior one showing sellers ran out of steam. That's your confirmation. The plan on AMBA. Enter calls on a hold above 86, stop under 75.93, targets 95, then 106.14. This is the kind of name where a LEAP call makes real sense. An AI story that needs months to play out, not days. By time, not lottery tickets. Setup 4, ITGR Holdings, ticker ITGR, $121.21, up 23% this week. Medical device manufacturer, And this one has the cleanest signal on the board tonight. Bullish divergence. Price made the same low twice, but momentum made a higher low underneath it. That means the selling was already exhausted before price turned. The chart. ITGR is at 121.21. Support is 120, then 115, with the divergence low down at 101.04. Your stop is 114.77. Targets are 134.09, then 145. Entry trigger is a break and hold over 125. Divergence plus a candle confirmation is the highest quality setup my scanner produces. The plan on ITGR. Enter calls on the break and hold over 125. Stop 114.77. Targets 134.09, then 145. If the break fails and it closes back under 120, you step aside and wait. The setup either confirms or it doesn't. You don't negotiate with it. Now here's the rule I actually use for LEAPS entries. I pull up the monthly chart and I look at momentum on a 14-period reading. Below 30 on the monthly is deeply oversold, and that's where I want to buy long-dated calls. Above 70 is overbought, and that's where long-dated puts get interesting. Monthly extremes are rare, which is exactly why they're worth waiting for. And here's what the LEAPS are actually for. The sleeve trades, the fast stuff that's cash flow. The LEAPS are the position that compounds while you sleep. Profits from the fast trades fund the LEAPS fund the dividend shares, and the dividends buy more shares. That's a machine, not a lottery ticket. It only works if you keep the losses small enough to stay in the game. Quick recap. Coinbase, uptrend broken, puts under 144. Roblox, embedded downtrend, fade the bounce at 36.50. Ambarella, downtrend broken up, calls above 86. ITGR, bullish divergence, break 125. For names, every level charted. This is a watch list and a plan, not financial advice. Do your own research. 3 rules every trade needs. Number 1, a target. Know where you're taking profit before you ever enter. Number 2, a stop loss. Know where you're wrong and honor it. Number 3, time is your friend. The best trades come to you, so don't force it. Let it come. Position sizing. Never risk more than 1% of your account per trade. Set your stop the moment you enter. This is not financial advice. Educational content only. Do your own research. Trade at your own risk. And remember this one. It's not about timing the market. It's time in the market. Nobody calls the top. Nobody calls the bottom. The people who win are the ones who stayed. If you guys like this content, follow, subscribe. Throw me something in the comments. I'm here to help you guys. Happy trading, happy investing. I'm live every weekday at 9:30 Eastern. Come hang out.